Redmi Note 8 Pro is a phablet. Features 6.53-inch display affords you a vivid and different visual experience. 5 cameras. 64.0 megapixel plus 8.0 megapixel. Plus 2.0 megapixel plus 2.0 megapixel back camera. And 20.0 megapixel front camera. You can enjoy images with 2340 by 1080 high resolution. Redmi Note 8 Pro comes with most of the features we've come to expect from a phablet. Equipped with MIUI 10 Helio G90T and 4500 mAh big capacity battery that you can play games faster. Redmi Note 8 Pro 6.53-inch 91.4% ultra-high screen ratio. Low blue eye protection screen.